Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about some very important tips to promote your Redbubble products on Instagram. So if you are a beginner here on print on demand and on Redbubble, and if you want to know how to promote your Redbubble products on Instagram professionally to get more traffic and to get more sales, so I have to tell you, you are on the right spot. So please stay tuned and keep watching this video because I am sure this video has a great value for you. And in this channel, you will find a lot of videos which are about how to promote your Redbubble products in different social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. And now on speaking about the promotion of your products on Instagram, here you will find some instructions you have to follow to be more successful to promote your Redbubble products professionally and efficiently. So let's begin with the tip number one. That is, you have to create a business account on Instagram with a specific niche or specific topic or specific field, which means you have to work on one niche like yoga or fitness or motivational quotes, dogs, cats, nurses, and so on. Or you have to select some niches which are related to each others. Like in beverages, for example, you can work on coffee niche and tea niche, or wine and beer, and so on. And this tip is very important for you if you want to go bigger and get more followers on Instagram, because when you are working on a specific niche, here you can post regularly about that specific field, and here you can and would grab attention of audience who are interested in your content and your field. Okay, and the variation and working on different niches on the same account on Instagram, it doesn't work because you are not like Redbubble or the public. Okay, so the first step today to promote your Redbubble products well on Instagram, you have to work on a specific niche or select some niches which are close to each others. And second tip today, that is, you have to use professional mockups to promote your Redbubble designs on Instagram. For sure, professional mockups play a big role in the emotional attachment of your customers and convey the message of your designs properly to your audience and to persuade them more to purchase your products. So please use professional mockups to promote your Redbubble designs on social media, including Instagram. And if you don't know how to get free mockups to promote your designs professionally, I will discuss this point in next video, so stay tuned. And please don't use the common mockups of Redbubble because they are not attractive anymore. Okay. And jumping to the tip number 3 today for promoting your Redbubble designs on Instagram is that you have to write a professional Instagram caption of your post. An Instagram caption, that is some sentences which are describing your design, your post professionally in a funny sense or a casual mood. And it has a stronger call to action to motivate the audience to visit your bio link. And you can write this Instagram caption yourself, or you can get help from artificial intelligence tools like Jarvis.ai, Writer.to, and so on. Okay, and jumping to the tip number 4 today to promote your Redbubble products well on Instagram is the hashtags formula. And the hashtag formula that Instagram algorithm love consists of some hashtags with hard competition, some hashtags with medium competitions, and the rest ones with easy competition. And I have discussed before in a video how to make this collection or this hashtag formula for free without any effort by using a great free tool. And I will leave the link of this video below in the first comment. Okay, so let's go together to the tip number 5 today, which is about the bio link. And here in this channel you will find some videos which are about how to make professional bio link to promote your Redbubble products well on Instagram. And one of these videos was about a fantastic trick to make your bio link as a shop, or you can turn your posts into clickable ones. Yes, you heard me right, your posts into clickable ones. Okay, so please watch this video below in the comment section. Okay, and jumping to the next step today is about you have to make variation in the style of your posts, which means you have to create your posts in different forms like videos, carousel, static images, photo collage, and so on. And of course, it is good for your Instagram algorithm. And please don't just promote your Redbubble products in all your posts. Just you can share some videos some infographics, some quotes. It is good for your audience and they get more attention and more traffic. And here you have known 6 steps to promote your Redbubble products well on Instagram. So please stick to these instructions in here, which is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.